Hello students, this is A3 Education, Class 10, CBSE, Chapter 3, Pair of Linear Equation in 2 Variable, Exercise 3.3, Second Sum. In this video, we will be solving first 3 subdivisions, okay, in which the second and third subdivision is very important when compared to first subdivision, okay. In this, we need to form a pair of linear equation using the word problem given. Find the solution if they exist by using dash method, which is using elimination method. Here we will be going to our first subdivision. The first subdivision says that if we add 1 to the numerator and denominator, subtract 1 from the denominator, a fraction reduced to 1. It becomes 1 by 2 if we add 1 to the numerator. Okay, let us assume that second sum, first subdivision, let x be the numerator and y be the denominator. And the fraction will be fraction b x by y. Okay. The first condition given, if we add 1 to numerator and subtract 1 to denominator, it reduces to 1. This is the equation that they given. Therefore, it becomes x plus 1 equal to 1 into y minus 1. Therefore, x minus y equal to minus 1 minus 1 minus 2. Okay, this is the first equation we have got from the question. Therefore, next, then we add 1 to the denominator but nothing to the numerator. Add 1 to the denominator, it becomes 1 by 2. Therefore, it becomes cross multiply. 2x is equal to 1 into y plus 1, which is 2x minus y equal to 1. Therefore, in this we get, therefore we add, this is the equation number 1 we got. 2 minus 1. Change the sign. This becomes plus. Therefore, 2x minus x is equal to x is equal to 3. Therefore, x is equal to 3. When substitute x in any one of the equation, I will substitute in 1. While substituting, we get 3 minus y equal to minus 2. Therefore, minus 2 comes to this side. 3 plus 2, 5. Y equal to 5. Therefore, the fraction is 3 by 5. This was the question asked in our first subdivision, which is x by y. Okay, answer is 3 by 5. The second subdivision, it is also a very easy question. 5 years ago, Yuri is the thrice as old as Sonu. 10 years ago, Nuri will be twice as old as Sonu. We want to find the age of both. Okay, it is also very easy. Let us assume Nuri is as x and Sonu as y, and it will be forming an equation. Let second subdivision. Okay, let the age of, this is the present age, Nuri is equal to x. The age of Sonu is equal to y. Okay, there is no problem in it. The first condition, it is 5 years ago, which means x minus y, y minus y, which is 5 years ago. Whose age is thrice? Nourish. Therefore, x minus 5 equal to thrice the y minus 5. Therefore, it becomes x minus 5 equal to 3y minus 15, which is x minus 3y equal to minus 5 becomes plus 5, therefore minus 10, which is equation number 1. This is the given condition number 1. Okay. Next, which is 10 years later. 10 years later means from now, therefore it becomes plus, which is x plus 10 this is equal to twice the y plus 10, which is x plus 10 is equal to 2y plus 20. Therefore, x minus 2y equal to 20 minus 10, 10. Therefore, it becomes equation number 2. Therefore, I will write this equation number 1 as such, minus 10. Now, I am going to subtract equation number 2 and 1, which becomes subtraction plus symbol change. It becomes cancel. Minus 2y plus 3y, which becomes y. Okay. Y equal to 20. Okay, it is very, very easy. Then we are going to substitute this y in any one of the equation. Substitute y in any one of the equation. I will be substituting in 2. The second equation says that x minus 2y, x minus 2 into 20 is equal to 10, which is x minus 40 equal to 10, which is x is equal to 50. Therefore, whose age is whose number? Therefore, we assumed that the age of Nuri is 50 years. Okay, which is x. Age of Sonu is 10. Sorry, 20 years, which is 20, which is y. Okay. Next, we are going to solve the third subdivision in this video. The fourth and fifth subdivision we will be solving in the next video, upcoming video. Okay. Next, the third subdivision. The third subdivision says that sum of digits of 2-digit number is 9. Also, 9 times this number is twice the number obtained by reversing its digit. Generally, the 2-digit number will be 10x plus y, which is ones digit and tens digit. Therefore, we will be solving based upon this concept, which is ones and tens. Ones and tens. Ones digit and tens digit. Okay. The third subdivision, there is a 2-digit number. 2-digit number will be in the form of xy. Okay. Which will be x means 1, 2. It may be 12 int. This is not for examination. 1, 2, 2, 1. Therefore, this will be x, this will be y. Therefore, let us assume unit digit is equal to x, tens digit is equal to y. This is the unit digit, this is the tens digit. Okay. Therefore, the given conditions, which is the sum of a 2-digit number is equal to the sum of digits, which is x plus y equal to 9. This is the first condition given. Next, the 9 times the number is 9 times a number. Okay. The number 9 times a number will be in the form of 10x plus y. As I said before solving the question, for a 2-digit number it will be in the form of 10x plus y. Is means equal to. Okay. This means equal to. You can see the question very clearly. 9 times means 9 into the number. It is a 2-digit number. Therefore, I mentioned as 10x plus y. I already informed. If it is a 3-digit number, we will be in the form of 10x, 100x. This will be the for 3-digit number. As it is a 2-digit number, we are not going to consider it. Okay, and is obtained is twice. Therefore, twice the reversing the digit. Reversing the number means one's digit will be in tens, tens will be, therefore 10y plus x. Okay. Therefore 90x plus 9y equal to 20y plus 2x. Okay. After getting all the elements into one side, it becomes minus 2y equal to 0. Therefore it becomes 88x minus 11y equal to 0. Therefore there is a common element 11. Therefore divided by 11, 8x minus y equal to 0. This is the equation number 2. I write the equation number 1 as such. Therefore I add both the equation, we get adding 9x equal to 9. Therefore x is equal to 1. This get cancelled. Next step, substitute x in any of the equation. I will be substituting in 1. Therefore x plus y equal to 9. 1 plus y equal to 9. Therefore y equal to 8. Therefore the number is 18. The reason for number, reason 10x plus y. 10 into x value 1 plus 8, which is equal to 10 plus 8 equal to 18. Number equal to 18. Okay. Thank you. The next two subdivision will be solved in upcoming next video. Thank you.